Today I am here to tell you and to show you the ideas put together by my friends and I how to preserve our mother nature through this video. From my side, I am doing a bit to preserve mother nature. I am using menstrual cup instead of sanitary pads because one sanitary pad takes 300 to 800 years to get decomposed. I am using solar lights and sensor lights in my house to preserve electricity. I am using tap sensors to preserve water. Lights and tap sensors are from ifihomes.com. So, let's all be a part of solution, not part of pollution. I hope this video inspires you to do the same. So, if we all can do, so can you.
Friends, I have been making this compost at home from the last 5 years. I don't throw a single kitchen item into the garbage. Everything, even chicken, non-veg waste, everything goes into this. And see the color, it has no smell and it is no mess. And it is called as black gold. See, all eggshells and all that. So it is called black gold, gold, very good for the plants. And even if you don't use it for gardening, it turns into mud, so you can just throw it anywhere rather than throwing garbage. I also use menstrual cup. I've been using it for the last 2 years and I do my bit to save the nature. If I can do, so can you.
All my daily waste is actually dumped into this compost and you can see it is all dry. It's been quite a few months and there is no mess and there's no smell. So this is the waste water from the AquaGuard. We collect it in this drum and we use it for watering the plants and washing the backyard. Brinjal, flat beans, chilies, I also try to grow my own veggies. I also use menstrual cup, doing my bit to save nature. If I can do it, so can you.
This is my kitchen waste. I will not mix this with my regular waste. I am going to put this in this khamba and will make compost. I collect wastewater from AquaGuard into this bucket and I use that water for gardening. Also, I use Merina coil. I am doing my bit to save the nature. If I can do, so can you.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show how to make compost out of kitchen waste. Step 1. Here I have a dry flowers and some kitchen waste and dry leaves. This is my pot khamba where the compost process happens. 2. We're going to add all these flowers and leaf one by one into the pot. 20 days, the compost will look like this. So it is ready to feed the plants. If I can do it, so can you?
Hello friends, I'm Lavanya here from villa number 17 and in this video I'm going to tell why we should all switch over to the Wonder Cup, the menstrual cup, because it is cheap and budget friendly. So you just spend about 300 to 400 rupees and this lasts for a period of about say 8 to 10 years. It's really cheap, isn't it? Instead of you spending 300-400 rupees on sanitary pads every month, this is a very cost effective product. And the second reason is It's really safe to use. You don't really have to worry about skin infection or irritations or rashes. It's really good on your skin and it is safe to use. And the third most important reason is, since it is reusable and it's going to last for a longer period of time, you're not contributing any waste to the environment. So this is a environment friendly, eco-friendly product. So that makes it a most effective product. And the reason why I use this product, because I can swim, I can run, I can hike, I can do yogas, and all the inversions like handstand, headstand, elbow stand, and most importantly, wear all my tight fitting leggings and jeans and shorts. So it gives such a comfort feel, and you can do all your workouts stress free. And if you have already decided to use this product and you still have some mind block or mental block, you can definitely come to me. I would be really happy to clear all your worries. And come on, I'm not asking you to run a half marathon or a full marathon with me. I'm just asking you to try this Wonder Cup, the menstrual cup. So when I can use it, try it, come on, trust me, you can also do it too. Right.
Hi friends, I would like to show my small terrace garden which we have set up here. This is like almost around 5 years since we started this terrace gardening, and we have got around 100 plus pots here. So I would like to show the watering technology we have adapted here. So over here we have used the sprinkler technology. So this sprinkler, which is set up from the roof, can water all these plants, okay, and we have put a green net on the top to keep the humidity and the water evaporation from the pots less. So this way we can actually reduce the water consumption, and also it saves a lot of time. If I can do, you can do too. We also make a compost at home using the kitchen waste. So after around 40-50 days, these compost go directly into the plants.
We do composting at home. It's very simple. Let me show you how it's done. We collect fruit and vegetable waste in this tray. At the end of the day, we collect some waste and then put it in the compost bin, and then add some compost powder. After 2 weeks, we move the compost into this pot to make it dry. Adding compost to your garden gives you great results. If we can do, so can you.
Hi, where do you guys get your electricity from? From the board, right? Even I used to get electricity from the board. But now I have a different way of getting electricity. It's by solar panels. Solar panels are the panels that use sunlight to generate electricity. This is my contribution to Mother Nature. If I can do it, so can you.
Hello my dear friends. So today I'm going to tell you what I do to help Mother Nature. I have an RO water purifier, and almost for 14 liters of water is wasted during one purification process. So I put a hose outside and it collects all the water in this bucket over here. So once it is filled, I use this water for my gardening. So I get almost like 2 to 3 buckets every day. That is pretty enough for all my plants.
If we can do it, so can you.
The sea, the sand, the trees, I so love Mother Earth. I do my thing. I do composting at home. I segregate waste. I do not use plastic. As a family, we plant trees anywhere and everywhere, anytime, around our houses, on our terrace, and in Panchvati. As part of the corporate social responsibility program in my office, I work very closely with an NGO in Bangalore. We are adopting lakes and restoring them. If I can, so can you. Happy Valentine's Day, Mother Earth.